Do you realize that money loses value unless you invest it with an interest rate of more than 2.3% each year? The UAE ranked 16th in the world in 2022, bringing in over $22 billion in foreign investments. The UAE tends to triple its investment by 2031. Rent in Dubai will rise by roughly 10% in 2025 as demand remains high because of the entry of new people into the Emirates. This making now the ideal time to master smart investing strategies and participate in this incredible boom. In this video, we will explore a smart approach to investing in the UAE, discover some of the best investment opportunities in the UAE that align with your financial goals. When you set up an investment portfolio, it's essential to have a strategy. That doesn't have to mean complexity. Simple plans like minimize risk or save for retirement can be made using a popular goal setting method, SMART technique. In SMART technique, S stands for specific. The goal needs to be clear, specific, and unambiguous. Set your financial state for 10, 15, 20 years from now, whether saving for retirement, a child's college education, a new house, or something else. Clearly identify your financial goals. M stands for measurable. For example, save for a house is an unclear goal. There is no reliable technique to determine if you are catching up or falling behind. Save 50,000 dirhams for a down payment is a measurable goal. You can see how close you are getting. Save 500 dirhams per month sounds even better. This is a practical step that you can use and put into action. A stands for achievable. Achievable goals are possible. Ask yourself, can you meet this goal? You should set achievable financial goals. For example, aiming to buy a 2 million dirham house on a 5,000 dirham income isn't practical because it's unlikely you can save enough for it. Focus on achievable goals that fit your financial situation. R stands for realistic or relevant. Should you meet this goal? Relevant goals are a good idea. Relevant goals make sense for your finances overall and work together. You might be able to buy a 30,000 dirham boat if you save money every month, but you should think about it if it fits into your overall financial plan and whether it will get in the way of your other plans. T stands for time bound. Let's take two goals. Number 1, retire with an income of 85,000 dirham per year. Number 2, retire at the age of 65 with an income of 85,000 dirham per year. The key difference is that the second goal gives you a clear time frame to save. This allows you to plan your budget and investments effectively by focusing on specific deadlines, which helps clarify your priorities and keeps you on track. Now you have set your financial goals. The next move is to do smart investing. What is smart investing? Smart investing also means holding a variety of investments across asset classes like mutual funds, gold, stocks, bonds, real estate, etc. If you are living in UAE, what are the best investments in 2025? Let's have a look. Number 1, high yield saving accounts. A high yield saving account pays you an interest on your cash balance. The projected inflation rate in the UAE for 2025 is around 2.3% according to the Central Bank of the UAE. Unless your savings in the country are increasing in value by at least 2.3% per annum, you are losing money. Banks in the UAE offer interest rates on average from 1.5% to 3.5% depending upon your saving amount and tenure. Top saving accounts in the UAE includes Mashreq Money Multiplier, Fab iSave. If you choose online banks, Vio Fixed Saving Space is a good option. Number 2, long-term certificates of deposit. UAE's top fixed deposit accounts based on their features, interest rates, and ease of application. Number 1 is Emirates NBD fixed deposit schemes. Number 2, Mashreq Bank fixed deposit. Number 3, Standard Chartered Bank fixed deposits. To name some of the high yield saving accounts in the UAE, in long term, the best 12-month fixed deposit rate is Emirates Islamic Bank Booster Wakala Deposit offers 3.5% per annum interest rate. For 12-month fixed deposit, with a minimum deposit requirement of 25,000 dirhams. You can also consider monthly profit payment Wakala deposit by Dubai Islamic Bank, where 3.4% interest rate is paid on minimum deposit of 25,000 dirhams for 12 months. Number third option is long-term corporate bond funds. National Bonds offers profit ranging up to 11% per annum across diverse products such as second salary, the payout, term sukuk, and my 1 million. So National Bonds is also a very good option to consider in your investment portfolio. Number fourth is dividend stock funds. We can never ignore stock market when talking about investing. Dividend investing can provide steady income and help cushioning against market downturns. The Emirati firms with the highest dividend yields are number 1, Investment Corp PLC. They give a dividend yield of 9.6%. Number 2, Palm Sports. They have a dividend yield of 8.18%. Number 3 is Mashriq Bank, which offers an 8.08% of dividend yield. Number 5th option is value stock funds. Now what is value stock? A value stock is a share in a company that can be bought for less than what someone might think it's worth based on its financial data. So in simple words, you can say all the undervalued stocks in the stock market are considered as value stock funds, but they have very high hype or they are over demand. Value funds are ideal for long-term investors. Emirati stocks such as Sakoon Insurance, Lulu Retail, and Emirates Investment Bank are oversold, and these are the most undervalued Emirati stocks. Traders can benefit from the potential comeback of these stocks and take advantage of the fluctuations in prices by investing in these stocks. If we talk about international stocks, Volkswagen is a prime example of a value stock in the automobile business. Number 6 is small cap stock funds. Small cap stock funds hold significant growth potential in the early growth stage. Al Salam Bank Sudan, Aman Dubai Islamic Insurance, Oman and Emirates Investment Holding are examples of Emirati companies with the smallest capitalization. Number 7 is REIT Index Fund, Real Estate Investment Trust. Provide greater diversification by allowing you to easily access rental revenue streams from real estate assets without purchasing or spending substantial sums of money on them. You can say that you own a part of a real estate and you also share the rental income. Isn't it a good idea? Investing in REIT is a very good option, as we have already discussed in the start of the video that Dubai is gonna see a hike in rental income in 2025. Emirates NBD REIT is a Sharia compliant real estate investment trust investing in income generating real estate in the UAE. So do consider Emirates NBD REIT. If this information was helpful, I would highly appreciate you to share your investment experience in the comments and subscribe for more insights on personal finance. Take care. See you in the other video.